In collaboration with industry practitioners and experts, we present our experiential learning programs. Students are inspired to connect their academic knowledge with hands-on applications whilst collaborating in teams to solve real-world problems. In addition to experiencing different professions, students are motivated to develop a wide range of knowledge, skills, and critical competencies.
The course name was called Crime Scene Forensics. So basically it's a course designed especially for students to learn science, but through the eyes of a forensic scientist. So we had a mock crime scene where they can actually go into a crime scene to investigate and find evidence.
I teach color appreciation. How do we use color to tell our story? Because color alters our mood. And so when you design something, what kind of emotions do you want to evoke? The whole entire process, I'm going to give you the different guidelines, and as long as you can justify. We want them to take ownership of their decision making.
The Little Pilot course introduces students to the world of aviation, from basic aviation theory all the way to practical hands-on exercises, including simulated flights.
Students will be learning about aviation basics ranging from the structure and mechanics of an aircraft, functions of controls found within the cockpit of an aircraft, as well as the correct and realistic procedures.
Dr. Scientist program is unique in that it is taught by medical doctors, biotechnology and biomedical science scientists. The program is to inspire students at the interest on medical science, set a foundation of these essential knowledge for future studies, and at the same time show them what the medical science will become in the future.
So the Minimum program was designed to give the kids a little bit of an introduction to what law is, how it impacts our society, how it impacts them, how it impacts everything they do on a day-to-day basis. It was designed to cover presentation skills as well as introduce concepts of contract law, tort law, and criminal law. We finished with the final day of a mini moot. Kids were definitely able to pick up some soft skills and analytical skills.
We are going to teach, of course, the fundamentals of how a robot should work and how programming should work. We are going to teach students about what is meant by some terminologies, what is variables, what is function, how can we put them together to control a robot to do whatever we want.
The main theme for them is to increase their interest to the environment, and then we want them to do some sustainable action in their daily lives to help the environment. Basically, we have the first part is to tell them why the nature is so important to them, and then introduce how the Hong Kong ecosystem is so important.
Join our experiential learning programs to explore interests from young, develop passion, find your direction, and ready yourself for the future world of work.